Welcome back to Digital Pro Productions. If you're preparing for your FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certification, this lesson is all about maintenance and inspection procedures. One of the key topics you'll need to know to pass your exam and keep your drone safe to fly. Before every flight, you're required to ensure your drone is airworthy, meaning safe, functional, and compliant. Let's go through what that means step by step. Before every flight, the FAA requires a complete pre-flight inspection. This ensures your aircraft is in proper condition for safe operation. Here's what your checklist should include. Check for loose or damaged propellers. Ensure batteries are fully charged and secure. Verify GPS, compass, and sensors are calibrated. Inspect the frame and arms for cracks or loose parts. Confirm firmware and controller connections are up to date. Test your camera and SD card if you're recording. There's no single FAA checklist. Just use one that's consistent for your drone model and follow it before every flight. Also expects you to keep maintenance records for your drone. This shows that your aircraft is being properly cared for and airworthy. Log details like battery replacements or repairs, propeller changes, firmware updates, calibrations and inspections, any parts replaced. Keep a maintenance logbook, digital or paper, and record the date, what was done, and by whom. If an accident ever occurs, the FAA can ask to see those logs as proof of compliance. Think of documentation as your proof of professionalism and operational integrity. Batteries are one of the most common failure points in drone operations, and a major safety risk if not maintained correctly. Follow these best practices. Never use swollen, leaking, or damaged batteries. Store batteries at 50 to 60% charge if you're not flying soon. Keep them away from extreme heat or cold. Use only manufacturer-approved chargers. Now for propellers, your drone's most vital moving parts. Check for cracks, chips, or warping before every flight. Even small damage can cause instability or motor strain. If in doubt, replace it. Propellers are cheap, crashes are not. As a certified drone pilot, you need to recognize when your drone isn't behaving normally and act fast. Watch for these warning signs: drone drifting or unstable hover, delayed response to controller input, unusual vibrations or strange noises, loss of GPS or signal, battery warning messages. If you notice any of these, land immediately and inspect before flying again. Flying an unairworthy drone can violate FAA rules and put others at risk. Let's recap what you need to remember for your FAA Part 107 exam. 1. Always perform a pre-flight inspection. 2. Keep detailed maintenance records. 3. Take care of your batteries and propellers. 4. Recognize malfunctions before takeoff. Doing these things isn't just about passing the test. It's about being a responsible, professional drone pilot. If this video helped you study, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more FAA 107 prep content from Digital Pro Productions. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe skies ahead.